I just want to say this to you. Right now, you're the best in the game.
I know. The dude right there said, hey, man, I was going to tell you, you're the best receiver in the game. I said, I know.
When you consider yourself the best, you should expect attention. That's why DeAndre Hopkins, who leads the NFL in receiving touchdowns, had elite cornerback Patrick Peterson standing across from him.
A matchup to watch in this game, Patrick Peterson against DeAndre Hopkins. Peterson, arguably the best man-covered corner in the National Football League. Hopkins, the most targeted receiver in the NFL.
Hold up, boy.
And a flag is down as Bethea made contact with DeAndre. A flag down on the spot. Savage takes the snap, looking, Tom scrambling to the right side, pointing to the end zone, fires and caught. Lamar Miller, yes! Touchdown, Houston! Sideline masterpiece catch by Miller as Houston gets on the board.
Hey! Hey!
And the Texans do a relay race celebration, passing the baton.
That was a funny one right there.
Yeah.
I would have joined them and it would have been like stupid looking.
Who you caught it on? Who you caught it on?
You'll find out in a minute, boss.
Did he catch that? They called this incomplete. I think he caught that ball.
They called him out of bounds.
That was a good-ass catch, though. Hell, you ain't gonna salute my catch. Hell.
10, walk. I need you to walk. I need you to walk your way. I need you to walk
I
your way.
got you. I know. They're my boy. I was cussing with them.
Okay, but walk your way. I understand.
Jerome, you didn't invite me to your wedding. I'm mad at you. How you not invite me to your wedding?
See the catch. His hands got the ball there. It's just whether they decide whether or not his feet were off the ground.
What you mean? That's two. That's two. I did. I caught it with my fingertips. I don't wear them 5 backs. I don't wear 5 backs for nothing.
Y'all got figured out? You got figured out? Is it catch or no?
No catch. No catch.
That's a catch. I caught it with my fingertips.
The ruling on the field stands as called. The pass is incomplete.
No, throw it up. Just throw it up. Jump ball.
Tom looking, firing right side of the end zone for Hopkins, and it's incomplete.
Now listen, every time I gotta go, I'm stuttering because he's sitting. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm gone. So he automatically back there. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm selling like 12, 15 every time I gotta go. I'm trying to make some miraculous happen. I'm trying to get my Hall of Fame stats up, man. If he press me, leave me. You know what I'm saying? Because I got him on my back.
Tom looking, and he passes left side of the end zone, and Hopkins has it for the touchdown. Rock and roll. The Texans retake the lead.
And he goes to his favorite target, number 10.
Hey, you called it. Hey, I told you, see what I'm saying? Inside every time. You know what I'm saying? Nah, because look, he's looking at me. So you throw it inside. Let's go get the ball back, let's go again.
Hands off to Foreman, running left. Foreman breaking through traffic. He's in. Touchdown, Deontay Foreman. His first rushing touchdown is a big one.
That was his first one? That's his first one. The little black dude right there got it. Get it from him. What one? The black dude behind the goalpost, 2 little kids.
All right, let me get my eyes.
He threw it down. Nah, Deontay threw the touchdown. I just threw it to one of the kids and fans. I got you. But you shouldn't get it. I got you. They gonna get it. They gonna get it. They gonna get it. Huh? I threw it right there. The kids are first right there. Well, Clowney, you see Clowney's name?
Yep.
Right there, the two little black kids.
Okay.
Yeah. I ain't know the first one.
And that's it. It's over. Beating Arizona 31-21.
Hey, man, about time, fellas. About time.
Oh, we needed that.
Man, don't tell him. We about to get on the roll.
Oh, yeah.
Me and Tom got some work to do, though.
Yeah.
We'll get there.
One at a time.
Yeah, we'll get there.